guys, it's Ashley from Untitled Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Russia Box. So this is a snack slash lifestyle subscription box with items from Russia. Not just Russia though, I wrote it all down here. It's Eastern Europe, Russia, Slavic, Soviet, all snacks and items from, and as well as I think some lifestyle items from there. Boxes are $25.95 a month. You can use code WELCOME, all caps, to get a gift at checkout. My co-host is here today. This box has 1 to 2 full-size items and 5 to 10 small, medium-sized items. However, you're gonna see when we open this, so I started filming this like a week ago. No, not a week, not that long, 3 days ago. And my battery ran out and I wasn't able to film until now. So I wanted to do this again so I know a few of the items in here. This box is packed with stuff. I have done a Russia box, a snack box from Russia before, and I was really impressed with the quality of their chocolate. Was really good. It was different than what we are accustomed to here in the United States. The box is really pretty though. Isn't it cute? I love it. So pretty. So let's open it up. So you'll see that some of the items are moved around because, not that you know what it looked like the first time, but it looks kind of like I was like, okay, gotta all fit back in there. All right. So right here on the top we have some information. It says Dobro Pozhalavat, means welcome. And then it tells you about sharing on social media, like questions. You can contact them through their email. They have a referral program, so get a friend, get a free gift in your next box if you refer somebody. I'm sorry, my sunburn is peeling and it is so itchy. Unfortunately for you guys, this is not going to be a tasting review. I will do all of that in my full review on the blog, but I'm not going to have a chance to do it today. And then it is the 4th of July today. Happy 4th. Happy birthday, America. So you get this page here, which we're going to use as we go through so that I know. It tells you each of the items, and it tells you about them, tells you like nutritional information, which is really interesting and good if you have allergies or sensitivities. So there's that. All right. Now here's where you're going to start seeing like, wow. So here is the box. Okay, and I hope it's not too gloomy. It just got gloomy outside. There are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know, you just want me to pet you. 6, 7 of these like little bars. See that? 7 of them. These are Nizhnoye souffle, or delicate souffle with cherry flavor and chocolate. They do also have an expiration date on here, 6/26. All right, so they don't tell you anything else, so I'm not going to know it. It's a cherry and chocolate. I'm actually kind of really excited to try them. They sound really good. So, all right, next we have these blue candies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold on. There's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think that's all of them. So there's 14 of these blue candies. These are called Snezok. These are snowflake caramels with filling. And then you can go on their website and you can get the ingredients. So they do tell you where, if they don't include it on here, where you can get the ingredients listing. Look at my cat. You think that you're going to eat some candy? Would you like some candy? Okay. So next we have, this is one of our full-size items, I'm guessing. These are called Chess Sugar Biscuit Cookies. So that sounds really good. And it's got a little knight there from your chessboard. That's cool. Sugar biscuits. So it does say here in English what it is. That's cool. And like I said, I will link below to my full review so you can see pictures of the actual snacks. I'm going to also link to Russia Box so you can check them out. All right. Next we've got these 2 candies. Is there just 2? Yeah. All right. So there's these candies here. And these are, let's see. These are called Balaya Churmuya. I'm so sorry. Churmuya candy. Oh, I saw there's a special item in here. So these look like they're cherry flavored. Oh, look, there's like little kissing angels. My son said to me today, this is the most hilarious and adorable thing. He said, Mom, he's 5, so he comes up with stuff out of nowhere. He's just thinking, which I think is really cool. And he says, Mom, angels are basically just babies with wings. I'm like, okay. Okay. And then he started talking about snow angels, and it just trailed off. I don't know where he went with that, but it was really funny. All right. So next we have, oh, I've had one of these before. The Rooster Lollipop. It's like maple flavored. This is the welcome gift. It's a sugar patushok rooster. Please note that Russian Eastern European labeling often shows the date of creation of the product, not the expiration date. So if you see blank blank 17, don't worry. The expiration date will depend on the product and is often not listed by date. So there, just so you know that that's on the paper here. Then we've got this little guy. What's this? This looks yummy. They have a lot of their candies have like little like vintage faces, like cherub, that very like old timey like imagery. So this is a mlochnaya pomadka. So kusom pechinia, milk and cookies candy. So this is a blend of milk and cookies. There's one of those. Then we have this. This looks fun. Look at the wrapper, how pretty. It's like French country, that blue and white, but like look at the peacock on there. What is this? I clearly didn't get this far last time. Okay, you can stop biting me now. That's not pleasant. All right, this is called Bird's Milk. Oh, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Girl, are you crazy? Oh my goodness. Look, she thinks she's ready to bite me. Oh, no you didn't. No you didn't. Ow, that hurt. Stinkeroni. Oh my gosh. All right. So, Bird's oh, it's crazy. Bird's Milk chocolate candy. This is chocolate glazed candy with Bird's Milk flavoring, which is interesting. I can't wait to try this. I just love the wrapper. If you bite me, man, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Are you crazy? All right. Next we have, wow. All right, then we have, this is Roshin. Let's see. Korivka cow soft caramel candy. So there's 4 of these caramels. There they are. 2, 3, 4. Those look yummy. I cannot wait to try them. And then we've got little hard candies. Oh, one more of the blue candies. So there's 15 of those. This is crabs. Crabs, cocoa, and peanut filled candy. So imagine this is like a crispy wafer type, almost like a Chico stick. That's what I imagine. Now it might taste completely different. If you bite me, I know. She like wants to be pet, and like when I don't give her attention, she bites me. Why? Why would you do that? Why, Stinky? What kind of a co-host does that? All right. So this final hard candy is, let's find, I'm using my encyclopedia over here. All right. Oh, it's not listed. Is it not listed? I don't think it is, actually. Huh. Interesting. It's not. It's not on here. I don't know what this guy is. We'll have to find out. It says Crazy Bee, and there's some little bees on it. All right. Then we've got, this is our special item. I actually saw this on the list already. It's our lifestyle item. So it's a matryoshka. I think I'm saying that right. Like a nesting doll magnet. I think this is so cool. I actually have nesting doll measuring cups. They're just plain white though. Like they don't have any decoration on them. But they're nesting dolls. And I think this will look really cool. I love that. So can I tell you more about this? An authentic matryoshka hand-painted strawberry magnet. Matryoshka is also known as the Russian nesting dolls, are a traditional toy played with by most Russian kids and displayed by most Russian parents. Each matryoshka is unique because they are usually hand-painted, which means each one has a slight variation in color, shape, and design. Matryoshkas can be painted with gold and be very do not scratch the candies. Look at her. Look at her. Very detailed or painted by kids with acrylics. The traditional matryoshkas have dolls within the dolls and come in sets of 3, 5, 7, 9, or 13. There is that. How cool is that? All right, so final item in our box is cacao. All right, so is anybody out there a Portlandia fan? Has anybody seen Portlandia? Cacao. If you have, you know exactly what that means. All right, so this is hot chocolate princess with vitamins. So it's kind of like Ovaltine is what I'm imagining. Ingredients label is attached. The directions say 3 to 4 teaspoons per 150 mils, combined with warm or cold boiled milk and stir. So that is cool. It's hot chocolate. Isn't that neat? Oh my goodness. So that's everything that I received in the Russian box. This looks like a lot of fun. Please do check out the full review to see what we think of everything. And also check out the Russia box down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.